Imagine waking up to a sunrise over Barefoot Bay, palm trees swaying, gondolas gliding quietly above the water, and the smell of coffee drifting through the warm island breeze. Sounds like a deluxe resort, right? Well, it's not. This is Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, the largest moderate resort on property, and it's packed with tropical charm, hidden gems, and one huge advantage that might make you rethink where to stay next. I'm Lee with All About the Duck, and today I'm taking you on a complete tour from the beautiful reimagined rooms in Trinidad to the main Skyliner hub that changes everything. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to stay, what to eat, and how to make every second count at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Let's get going. Before we even dive into the beaches and pools, let's talk about the single biggest reason Disney Caribbean Beach Resort has soared to the top of so many must stay lists: the Disney Skyliner. This resort isn't just on the Skyliner route, it's the central hub for the entire system. And trust me, that makes a huge difference in your vacation experience. From the main station here, you can take off on two of the three gondola lines. One offers a nonstop ride to Hollywood Studios, about 6 minutes, quick and breezy. The other floats you straight to Epcot's International Gateway, giving you a gorgeous bird's eye view of the Riviera and the surrounding resorts. It's hands down one of the most relaxing, scenic, and fun ways to travel between the parks. Here's the bonus: the Skyliner often beats the buses for travel time, especially in the mornings. Of course, if weather shuts it down, bus service is still there as a backup. Pro tip: request a room in the Jamaica or Aruba villages for easy access to the main Skyliner station. Or if you're closer to Aruba, you'll also have quick access to the Riviera station next door. Having that kind of effortless park transportation outside your room is a major perk and one of the best value boosters you'll find in all of Disney World resorts. Now that you've seen how easy it is to soar off to the parks, let's head straight to the resort's vibrant core, Port Royale. This is where your vacation really settles into island time. After a big renovation, this area now feels like a tropical welcome center. Bright colors, open spaces, and that laid back Caribbean charm. This is where you'll find check in, the concierge, dining, and shopping all in one convenient spot. If you're hungry, head straight to Centertown Market. It's a casual food court styled like an indoor street market, offering a mix of American and Latin inspired dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Pro tip: use mobile order through the My Disney Experience app. It saves you a ton of time during busy hours, especially in the mornings when everyone's heading out to the parks. Just steps away is the Calypso Trading Post, a fantastic gift shop filled with classic Disney merch, resort specific items, snacks, and travel essentials you might have forgotten. It's perfect for browsing while you wait for your meal or picking up a keepsake from your stay. Everything in Port Royale flows together: food, fun, and that signature Disney hospitality, making it the true heartbeat of the resort. Just steps outside of Old Port Royale sits one of Disney's most impressive resort pools, the Fuentes del Morro pool. Themed after a colonial Spanish fortress, it looks like something straight out of the pirate adventure movie. With two water slides, including one over 100 feet long, and water cannons perched on fortress walls. This pool is a splash filled playground for all ages. Little ones have their own pirate shipwreck splash area, complete with mini slides and a giant tipping bucket that drenches everyone below. Pure Disney fun. The pool's zero entry design makes it ideal for families with toddlers, while adults can kick back in two large hot tubs tucked away behind the rocks or unwind at Banana Cabana, the resort's open air pool bar. This isn't just a spot for drinks, it's a laid back tropical lounge serving up delicious appetizers, cold cocktails, and plenty of shade under whirling ceiling fans. Pro tip: try the Banana Cabana or Caribbean Smuggler cocktails while you relax. Both are guest favorites and pair perfectly with the Florida sunshine. Beyond the main fortress pool, you'll find five leisure pools, one in each village, so you're never far from a peaceful dip. And if you just want to relax, head to the white sand beaches that line Barefoot Bay, the resort's 45-acre lake. You can't swim here, but the hammocks and lounge chairs make it a perfect spot to unwind or even catch a glimpse of Epcot's fireworks flickering across the water at night. Now, let's talk about something every first time guest wonders. How big is Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort? The short answer: it's huge. The resort is divided into five colorful villages: Martinique, Barbados, Trinidad, Jamaica, and Aruba. Each village has its own quiet pool, its own bus stop, and a unique island vibe. Where you stay can make a big difference in your experience. If you want to be close to Old Port Royale, the main pool, dining, and the heart of the resort, look for a preferred room in Martinique or Barbados. It costs a little more, but you'll thank yourself when you can grab a coffee or a late night snack without a long walk. If your focus is the Skyliner, you can save some money by staying in Jamaica or Aruba. Jamaica, especially building 43 through 46, offers the shortest walk across the bridge to the main Skyliner station. Perfect for those early park mornings, Aruba is slightly further but puts you right near the Riviera Resort station, which can be super convenient, especially for quick trips to Epcot. Planning tip: all standard guest buildings here are two stories and do not have elevators. If you're bringing a stroller, using a wheelchair, or prefer to avoid stairs, be sure to request a ground floor room when you book. With the little planning, you can choose the village that fits your priorities, whether that's fast park access, poolside relaxation, or being close to food and fun. Now for the part you've been waiting for: the rooms. Let's head over to Trinidad, the resort's most peaceful village, to check out one of the most talked about rooms at Caribbean Beach. These rooms used to be the pirate rooms, but they've been completely redesigned with a subtle, sophisticated under the sea theme, inspired by The Little Mermaid. Functionality here is a total upgrade. Gone are the clunky pirate ship beds. Now you've got standard queen beds, and in the fifth sleeper room, a clever queen size Murphy bed that doubles as a comfy sofa when it's up. This design instantly makes the room feel more spacious. Kids will love the small pull down bed tucked into the wall, which reveals adorable artwork of a sleeping Sebastian, perfect for a little extra magic at bedtime. The theming is thoughtful without feeling over the top. Look for flounder in the artwork, seahorse accents by the coffee maker, and hidden Mickeys woven into the curtains. Subtle touches that Disney fans will appreciate. The bathroom is smartly designed with a split layout. A sliding door separates the double vanity from the toilet and shower, a lifesaver for families trying to get ready together. A quick heads up: these rooms are only in Trinidad, which is a bit of a hike from the old Port Royale. But no worries, there's a dedicated bus stop in the village and a little known quick service spot, Spyglass Grill. right by the pool, perfect for grabbing a bite without trekking back to the main hub. Pro tip: if you love peace and quiet, Trinidad is the place to be. Less foot traffic and more relaxation. Feeling hungry? Caribbean Beach has more dining options than you might expect. We've already mentioned Centertown Market for quick bites and Banana Cabana for poolside drinks. But don't miss the resort's hidden gem, Sebastian's Bistro. This waterfront table service spot offers a family style, all you can eat dinner packed with Latin and Caribbean flavors. Start with buttery pull apart rolls, then dig into generous platters of citrus chicken, mojo pork, and flavorful sides. It's widely regarded as one of Disney's best dining values. Enormous portions, incredible flavors, and a price that won't break the bank. Bonus: because it's a little off the beaten path, snagging a last minute reservation is often possible. Definitely a win for planners and spontaneous diners alike. And here's a tip for expanding your options: a quick Skyliner ride or even a short walk takes you to Disney's Riviera Resort. There you'll find Primo Piatto for quick service meals and Topolina's Terrace for a character breakfast that's consistently a hit with kids. So whether you're staying on site or hopping around resorts, delicious meals are always within reach. All right, let's wrap things up. The biggest highlight has to be the Disney Skyliner. Being at the hub of this transportation system is a game changer. You can zip straight to Epcot or Hollywood Studios without relying on buses or long walks. The resort itself is incredibly immersive, from the colorful Caribbean inspired architecture to the lush landscape. You truly feel like you've escaped to a tropical paradise. And let's not forget Fuentes del Morro Pool. This pirate themed water playground is one of the best family pools on property, complete with slides, water cannons, and a zero entry splash area for little ones. Now, on the flip side, Caribbean Beach Resort is massive. If your room is far from the main building, expect a fair bit of walking or rely on the internal bus system, which can be slow during peak times due to the multiple stops. Another consideration: the guest buildings don't have elevators. So if stairs are a common concern, you'll want to plan ahead when booking your room. So, is Caribbean Beach right for you? If your priorities include lightning fast access to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, an immersive tropical atmosphere, and an amazing family friendly pool, then the answer is a resounding yes. The Skyliner alone makes this resort incredibly convenient. But if you prefer a smaller resort where everything is within easy walking distance, or if stairs are a deal breaker, you might want to explore other moderate resorts. Caribbean Beach Resort strikes a sweet balance between island vibes, Disney convenience, and moderate pricing, offering a feel of deluxe amenities without the deluxe cost. Did this guide help you figure out if Caribbean Beach is the resort for your next trip? If you've stayed here, drop your favorite village or best tip in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And for more Disney resort tours, planning advice, and insider tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. And as always, see you real soon.